get your free title pack, simply fill in your details here and then claim your free pack. You'll now receive an email from Davinci Resolve Titles. All you need to do is click on Download Title Pack and then follow this instruction guide here. Open your Downloads folder. And then you should see Free Trial Pack v1.zip. Double click this or right click and extract if you're on a PC. You can delete the zip file. Open the folder. Then what you want to do is open the font file. Double click Lato Light. Install if it's there. And install the Lato Regular. Next you need to load Davinci Resolve. Now you should be able to double click the drfx file and then just press install. And when you open a project, in Davinci Resolve you want to go up to the effects and then you should see in video transitions we've got JTech WP, so we've got the free transitions there, and then if we go down to titles, JTech WP, and then there's some of the free titles in the pack over here and you just drag them onto your timeline, they're ready to go.